Hello, welcome to my code. It's my train scenario project. It's a minimalistic one. I've done it in C++ using code. Let me run the project, then I'll discuss the code. So here's my code. If I press X, the train will come, and it's actually evening time at this moment, and the train is running at this moment. And if I want to stop the train, I'll press R, and it will stop the train at its track. So if I press X again, it will start running again. If I want to increase the speed of my train, it will by pressing W, it will increase. The train will become faster than faster. And if I want to suppose decrease the speed, then I will press S, and it will decrease the speed. It will decrease until it becomes stop. So basically, the train speed will become 0. And suppose if I want to make it a daylight, then I'll press D, and that's it. That's the whole project. So I'll just discuss the code now, or I'll just show the code now. Actually, here's a code. I've used a special function which is called set color, just so I don't have to call every color here with their coordinates different by different, or separately. Actually, that was bad English, my bad. And so I have declared background dark blue, navy blue, light green, etc. With their determined coordinates. Set color has a string parameter, so basically if I call background in set color, it will recall this color, or dark blue, and it will recall dark blue color for this one, and so on. So if it were a day, it will call this kind of color, and if it were night, it will call this color. Colors are different here, the coordinates. And the train speed are by default 0, and the train position is 1400, which is greater than my window size, so train is outside the window at start. Cloud positioning are given. Cloud speeds are also given by default, and we can change cloud speed using buttons. So I've done the background here using quote function, and then the whole train, my teammate has done that using quad functions, and push matrix were used, so the train can be moved using key press. Translation was used because the train was upper side on the corner, so to get it into my desired train position, dual translate left was used. So x-axis is train position, y-axis minus 270 degrees, minus 270 integer or float actually, and 0 for z-axis, and it was scaled 2 times. And thus the codes, everything are chords, and everything is determined here, which one's which, and this goes on until the very end, until the pop matrix. It was my direct train. Then I've done a building. It's a big one. It was done using GL quad function. Did a mid building. It was done using quad function, as well as, if I'm not wrong, I think there might be a triangle. Yes, there is a triangle as well, because the building looks like this, the triangle at the top. And there's the right building, same with quad function, and then mid building with quad function as well as triangle function. And then there's bridge. Then the left line was done using a circle, and then pushed it outside the window, so it will have a slight circle on the corner popping. And then the same code was used again for the right line, except the translate function was used, so it would be on the other side of the window. And then it's the right, left, and then tree was drawn. Here mainly the leaves of the tree, which was like roundish, was drawn for tree 1. Total 5 trees, and then branches were drawn right here for first tree, for second tree. Yeah, we could have done it on the draw tree function, but it's kind of complicated. So to make it more simplified, we did this. And after this, we did the background building with quad function. And then clouds were done using push matrix and translate as well as scale, and they were done using triangle dual triangle function. So they have the circle going around until they reach total circle, and to make it a half circle just like this, we have done we have brought the background color back and like blocked that underside of the circle, making it a proper looking cloud actually. So there's a tree cloud, and there's sun was done using gel triangle fan as well. Since it's a proper round shape, that's why these values are same 30 degree, and implemented was 0.001. And then update was the function to change the position of train cloud. That's it. And yeah, update, and then my display, everything was called here, every function that was used here to draw the stuff, and my display was created. And then got my init and handle keycaps S W T R X. S for increasing decreasing train speed, W for increasing train speed, T for toggling between day and evening, R for stopping the train, X for continuing the train. And then main function was used. Hope you like my project, and let me know in the comment section where I could have increased or I could have fixed my issues or improved my code. Also, yeah, I didn't use any sound here because that's the limit of my project.